Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on changing the subject worksheet. So this video gives us a worksheet on changing the subject of an equation. If you're not sure how to proceed, we have a lesson on this very topic. To access the lesson, just go to the last slide and click on the link that's available, and it will explain how to do all these examples. I'll leave this slide on for about a minute or so before I move on to the answers, which are on the next page, but you can pause this slide for as long as you like. Okay, I'll move on to the next slide now, which gives us the answers, and here it is. So these are the answers, and you can now check how you went. Again, I'll leave this slide on for about a minute or so before I move on to the last slide. As always, you can pause this slide for as long as you like. Okay, I'll move on to the last slide now, and here it is.